Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing a big beard straight razor shave. Since this is my first video on this channel, I just wanted to take 10 seconds of your time to let you know what kind of content you can expect out of this channel going forward, why am I shaving my beard, all that and more after this completely unnecessary 7-second intro that took me 18 hours to make. Hello, welcome back. So why am I shaving my beard today? Well, I want to take you guys on a year-long journey on what it's like to go from completely shaven to a beard like this. Along the way, we're going to talk about beard maintenance. I'm going to talk about some beard accessories and products that are worth investing in, and now to the shaving part. So for me, originally I bought a straight razor about 2 years ago, and I bought one because I needed something that was easier to line up the cheeks and the neckline. So there's a nice straight line. I just find that with like a Gillette razor, a Bic razor, whatever you want to call it, there's just that big thick bezel there. You can't really be precise with the way that you maintain your hair or the way that you line up your beard. So around that same time, because I realized very quickly how sharp razors are, or how sharp straight razors are, I wanted to see if you can do a complete straight razor shave with a beard. So I did a couple YouTube searches on some guys with bigger beards doing a straight razor shave, and it's actually kind of cool how the beard just kind of comes off in one piece. So I decided that the next time I do a big beard shave that I would do a straight razor shave. So this is my second or third time doing it. It does make a really big mess in the bathroom, so I apologize to my girlfriend if she's watching this in advance. So there's a couple ways to do this. I could just go with this Gillette shave foam, whatever. But for me, straight razor shaving is more of an experience. So I like to go a little bit classy. So I have this stand that holds my straight razor as well as my shave brush. And then what I do is I heat up my shave soap in this scuttle. I saved you guys the 30 minutes it takes in Canada to get hot water. So I got some hot water in here, and what that's going to do is once I put the shave soap in there, this stuff is like rock solid shave soap. So you put a little bit of hot water in there, you pour it out, you take your shave brush and mix it up a little bit, and then you take what's on that and put it in the scuttle, this little thing that I just showed you over here, and you just kind of lather it up. And then you lather it up on your face and you start shaving. So first thing we're going to do here is just get some water in this shave soap. And then we're going to take this brush and just kind of get it all nice and lathered up. Then get some more heat from the scuttle, just kind of going like this, making a nice lather. And then we can start applying. Actually, before I apply, I should really wet my face. Alright, so I might cut some of this out just so we can have a fully lathered face already and get straight to the shaving, but so here it goes. Alright, so I'm going to take my glasses off now, which is kind of scary if you're thinking about doing a straight razor shave and taking off your glasses. But fortunately I'm farsighted, so I can still see very clearly if I take my glasses off. I just find the glasses really get in the way, especially the sideburn area there. So, maybe I'll put them on again once I get closer to my neck, because the jugular is not something you want to slice open. So they say for a straight razor you want to do about a 30-degree angle. I see a lot of guys doing 90-degree angles and just pulling down like this, and I would hate to see them doing a neck trim up with a 90-degree angle. I mean, it doesn't take very much to just do a slice like that and your life's over. But so anyways, if anyone tells you to use a 90-degree angle, don't listen to them. You want to use somewhere between like a 20 and a 30-degree angle. And you want to kind of pull the skin up as you're going down and pulling down to make sure that you just get a closer shave and your skin doesn't get as irritated. So here we go. Oh my god. I haven't seen my face in so long. Okay, let's get some more here. I am also ambidextrous, so I could just go to the other hand and continue, which is kind of cool. Watch me cut my face after saying that. I guess this is what I would look like with a massive goatee. Just, wow. So this is the part I don't like. I'm not very good at shaving the chin part. If only you guys saw this sink right now. Oh. Now at this point I'm just going to lather on a little bit more shaving cream because I just don't want my sensitive skin to burn after this. Now I'm going to put all the products that I'm using today into the description, so if you're interested in having kind of a shaving set like I have, then you can go ahead and purchase those on Amazon. Alright, so the mustache, this one's tricky for me. I have a very thick mustache, so it always takes a couple extra whacks. And quite honestly, I don't think I've ever not cut myself from getting the mustache. Okay, I'm going to cheat a little bit here because this mustache thing is just not working for me and I don't want to cut myself up. So I'm just going to very quickly get this with my Brio. Okay. And with that, the soul patch is gone. They say with a straight razor shave, if you're not making funny faces, you're not doing it right. So I'm going to stop the video at this point because at this point it's just going to be Like, I'll come back to you guys, but I'm just gonna clean up a little bit. I mean, it's gonna take a lot of time for me to just do a couple more passes and just make sure that I'm happy with the full shave, and then I'll get back to you and we'll talk a little bit more. Okay, and we're back, and yeah, I did end up cutting myself during the mustache part, so you can see I'm bleeding a little bit. So this is probably gonna hurt. We're gonna put on some aftershave. I did nick myself a couple times on the side here too, but it's not bleeding, so that's good. This is my favorite aftershave. It's Artiusman cooling aftershave lotion. So I'll put a link to that in the description as well. You guys can get that over at the Artiusman website. I'm going to toss some of that on here. And let's see if I cut myself in a bunch of places. Looks like I did not. Good. It's not hurting. I'm not about to do the Home Alone scream. This is good. This is good. So now that that's done, usually what I do is I just put some blade oil onto my straight razor and I pack it away along with everything else that I took out today. If you're still watching, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course comment. Really, I just hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I would love to interact with you guys. So please, if you have any questions or you want to chat about something, toss in the comments below. You can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Beardy Blogger, because originally I just had a website, then I decided to make videos, so it's more of a vlog thing, so that's why this is Beardy Vlogger. Yes, it's confusing. Maybe someday I will change that, but for now this is what it is. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you hopefully next week.